Welcome back. Let us discuss attention to detail. We often come across adding the phrase attention to detail to add value to resume or just put like that. The interesting thing is many don't understand the depth of it. The fact is, attention to detail only help us manage the activities and challenges of everyday life effectively. We must understand, attention to detail help us in self-improvement right from your enhancing career to foster relationships. Although my descriptions you can see about attention to detail, in my opinion it the ability to see what others don't see. In psychological terms it is a skill estimating the probabilities associated with his assumptions, as well as establishing logical relationships. To be specific, it can be recognizing small behavioral patterns helpful for HR managers to identify key traits of her team. Those who are in talent hunt or crime investigation should look into peculiarities of a person's character, look, and even the clothes they wear can tell a lot about their interests. Let us have a case study. An HR head of an advertising company wants to source a copywriter, an exceptional one. She gave tests to nearly 10 candidates and shortlisted a few based on their test results. All appeared intelligent as per the results. The interviewees came one by one, many informals except one. He dressed shabbily without even ironing clothes, applied heavy dose of perfume on dress to cover the body odor. He appeared to take bathe hardly. He also wore earring in 1 year, heavily torn jeans. When asked a few questions, he became imaginative and waxed eloquent. The clever HR executive gave job to that candidate. Attention to detail is reading faces and body language during conversation. Spies should have the qualities, or those who want to spot spies should have the same, to identify the real intention, motives behind a mission. Attention to details include taking note of your surroundings, a quality required for an investigating officer. By observing a person for a while, you can learn what gestures or expressions they use with specific emotions. Sherlock Holmes said it best when he said, "Data. Data. Data," he cried, impatiently. "I can't make bricks without clay." Source: Adventure of the Copper Beeches. Kuru Chief Duryodhana gives an illustration on attention to details. Pandavas, when they were in exile in the 13th year after the period of exile for 12 years as agreed during the game of dice. The shrewd Duryodhana was not quick to dismiss the report of his spies who stated, "Pandavas are dead, now live with no rival." On the contrary, he pressed information on anything else of interest only to receive vital information on death of Kichaka the Senapati of Matsya. Then his question how Kichaka was killed showed the shrewdness, logical reasoning, and the lateral thinking capability of Duryodhana. The logician in him made him to realize there were only just 4 men on earth as strong as Indra, like Balarama, Shalya, Bhima, and Kichaka. The account of how Kichaka was bludgeoned to death during night made him to think how one wanted to kill without revealing the identity. He was also quick to understand the role of dark woman who caused the death of Kichaka and concluded that the woman was none other than Draupadi. This made him sum up, if the dead is Kichaka, then the killer must be Bhima.
Let us be thorough with the use cases of attention to detail.
To improve quality, while identifying the fault lines of electrical or electronic products for continuous innovation, we need attention
to avoid being outwitted during times of war or addressing competition in business.
To understand people better in the team and assign tasks, we need attention to detail.
For example, Bill Gates used to identify lazy talent for easy solutions that helped him solve problems.
The effective executive coined by management guru Peter Drucker defines results by asking what needs to be done, focusing more on opportunities than problems. Attention to detail is important in family life to set priorities, cut down expenses and focus on long-term.
HR managers and political leaders' attention to detail for talent spotting, identifying cultural fit, managing time and resources.
For marketers, this skill is important for inventory management, demand forecasting, identify opportunities, threats, for reworking on strategies, differentiating task-oriented from people-oriented to manage results. One excels or fails due to attention to detail or lack of it. So, Next time when you see attention to detail in resumes or information conversation, ensure the ones who claim have the qualities above to effective in everything like Sherlock Holmes.